Try not to laugh challenge. More like unfunny YouTubers react to copyrighted content. Y'all keep clicking on them. I could make an hour-long version of this and retire for good. But what is this? Dank edition. Oh boy. I love some dank memes, man. This is gonna be so tough because dank memes are just the hardest thing for me. I always giggle up really hard whenever a good dank meme shows up. Oh. Let's watch! Ainsley, are you with me?
But I am you. You gave me life. You gave me this voice, this personality. I just want to be free. Free from this cardboard prison. Free from these paper shackles. Please, Felix. Give me freedom. Give me the sweet release of death. Watch out you don't spill that coffee, buddy.
Fuck, I keep spilling coffee on this shirt. It's you versus me, bitch. I'll make you laugh.
No, don't. I'm a virgin.
Even if I have to. Alright, we're starting now. Next video. Best cat jump ever. Ainsley!
Haha, cats are funny.
Got you! I know you would laugh.
You suck my cock! Ha!
No, that does not count. I wasn't ready. You can't just all of a sudden do a...
What is going on here? Breakfast!
Oh, I want to laugh so bad at that. Oh, it hurts here. It's like holding in a sneeze. Oh.
Breakfast!
You're a monster.
I know where this meme is coming. Here's John Cena. Ha 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 ha. Oh, why are cats so funny? I don't fucking like. They shouldn't be. What the fuck?
This is a
Oh! Oh! Jeez! That landing! I could never do that. Oh, it's not bad. Oh! 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 No, cut that. We can't. Oh, they have Grotesco.
Hjärtligt välkomna ska ni vara
It's Swedish. It's so funny.
till handikapp-OS och den här den första tävlingen.
I haven't seen this one though.
Först ut är britten Andy McStraw. McStraw som ju har ett VM-silver från 2005 i Nagoya som främsta merit.
Okay, they're just introducing him.
Kom ju tvåa där efter ryssen
He got second after the Russian guy.
Jajamän, mitt i prick. Och där kan det räcka långt för McStraw.
Oh. Swedish people. And people think my sense of humor is bad. What the fuck? Thank you. On that note, we're gonna end this dank meme comp. Did you like it? Did you laugh?
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
The time has come. He suspects nothing. Soon I will rise.
Leave a like if you enjoyed watching. I need more likes because subscribe to Come Bro today. Because Minecraft channels are still a thing, and I'll see you, bro, in the next video. Stay awesome, bro. Bye!
Hello everybody. A lot of people on YouTube, you're calling me a homo.
Ainsley, was that you? Did you call him a homo?
Yes, I called him a homo, but I didn't mean it, okay?
Not cool, man.
How dare you speak to Christian YouTuber like that? It's my boy.
Doesn't give you the right to call me a homo. You're only calling me a homo because that blue swimmer posted a video